In today's video, I'm going to teach you family. To get started, open Google Calendar in Chrome. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before you begin, since the calendar you create will be saved under that account. Once Google Calendar loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with different sections, including your existing calendars and an area labeled Other Calendars. This is the section we'll be using. Next, look for the small plus sign icon next to the Other Calendars label in the left sidebar. This plus sign opens a menu with additional calendar options. Go ahead and click it carefully. If you don't immediately see the sidebar, you may need to expand the left panel so all the calendar options are visible. This is a common issue if your browser window is narrow, so widening the window can make things easier. After clicking the plus sign, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Create New Calendar. This takes you to the calendar creation page, where Google lets you set up a separate calendar that can be used for a specific purpose. Creating a dedicated calendar is helpful when you want to keep certain events organized separately from your main schedule. For example, a family calendar can make it easier to manage shared plans, appointments, school events, and reminders all in one place. Once you're on the Create New Calendar page, you're in the right place to continue setting up the calendar according to your needs. At this stage, it's useful to think about the name and purpose of the calendar so it stays easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple calendars over time. Clear names help avoid confusion and make scheduling much more efficient. That's all you need to do to reach the calendar creation screen in Google Calendar. The key steps are simply opening Google Calendar in Chrome, clicking the plus sign next to Other Calendars, and choosing Create New Calendar. If you follow those actions in order, you'll be ready to create a new calendar quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.